Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a mobile device in order to be used with a different carrier or network other than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used with the original carrier or network, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process to be used with a different carrier or a different network. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy A20, and this one is originally from Straight Talk here in the US. And this is one that has not been SIM unlocked because, as we can see here, with a different carrier SIM card inserted, we get this message in the notification panel that says that it is an invalid SIM card. And it tells us that we have a network locked SIM card inserted. Now, Straight Talk does have an official method for SIM unlocking their devices, but they usually require that you be the original owner and also require that you have the device active with them for an entire year before they will do that for you. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking for help with getting their Straight Talk phone unlocked because they didn't meet the requirements for doing so, either because they bought the phone from someone who was the original owner and therefore they were not able to get it unlocked, or because they themselves wanted to use a different carrier before they had been with Straight Talk for a year, and therefore Straight Talk, of course, would not do it for them. So we're making this video to let all of our customers know that we do offer a service to be able to get this specific model unlocked, and that's actually exactly what we're going to do right here, right now, while it's plugged into our computer. While that's running, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the settings here real quick and show you exactly what we're working with. So under the About Phone section, we can indeed see here that we have a Galaxy A20, and then of course the model number there, the SM-S205DL, is what identifies it specifically as the Straight Talk version of the phone. And then it's also possible that this model may be sold at some of Straight Talk's other partners like Total Wireless or Tracfone, things of that nature. Now, while the unlock program here is running, I should mention that this is something that we can do for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. You don't necessarily need to be here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. It's a procedure that's done, like I'm showing here, directly done with a computer while it's plugged in via the USB cable, and that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world, as long as you have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection for it. So again, you don't necessarily need to be here in our state or area for us to do it for you, which is why we're making a YouTube video for it to advertise our services to the entire world. The unlock program is just about running up here, so it just needs a few more seconds to finish up the final steps. And then after that, we should be able to see that it restarts and can indeed get signal on that test SIM card that we have inserted, and we should not be seeing those error messages. So give it 1 second to finish up running. Okay, there we go. Final step has been completed. And I'm going to go ahead and click that SIM card back in. And then we will see what shows up here. Actually, I'll go ahead and do that too. Okay, so the phone's fully booted up here. We can see our, well, now that we swipe the lock screen away, we can see our home screen here, and we'll notice a couple things. Once we slide down the notification panel, we do not see that network locked SIM card message anymore, so that's gone, so that's a very good sign. And then at the bottom here, it also says that the phone is going to restart to add some new features supported by that SIM card that we have inserted. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap OK there and let it run through and do that really quickly. Samsung just has a feature where the phones will automatically customize themselves a little bit based on the SIM card that you have inserted. Customize the phone a little bit to make it work specifically with that SIM card. The SIM card that we have inserted here specifically is from a prepaid carrier here in the US called Cricket, and they're owned by AT&T and run on their network. Okay, so the phone should be all set to go here, and actually, as we'll notice, once the signal kicks back in up there in the corner, we'll be able to see that we do have the signal bars fully enabled there. We should have our LTE data connection, if my focus would cooperate here. And for that, we can actually just go and jump into the settings to show you exactly what is going on. So let me jump back into the About Phone section. Yep, and there we go. So we are showing the phone now to be in service. We're fully registered on the network. LTE is fully enabled there. And then, yep, we do have our signal bars up there, and everything is running now on this Cricket SIM card. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy A20 from Straight Talk and would like us to help get it SIM unlocked for you, we would love to help you out with that. So go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new services that we're constantly adding, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.